has multiple benefits. First, for the physical body, you feel that all the organs become healthy. If you have heart disease, if you have digestive disorder, if you have menstruation disorder, if your back is not healthy, if you have migraine, headache, breathing problems, so yoga is very very helpful practice for that. Apart from that, yoga bring your mind to a peaceful state, a balanced state, so you can live a balanced life. And more than that, yoga bring acceptance in your life, so you feel more happy in your life.
Jadi antara lain manfaat secara fisik dan manfaat secara mental ya. Jadi untuk manfaat secara fisik, yoga itu bisa menjadi solusi untuk beberapa penyakit seperti penyakit jantung, penyakit diabetes, terus untuk sakit-sakit migrain. Dan untuk secara mental, yoga memberikan rasa tenang atau membuat pikiran menjadi tenang.